What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. In today's video we'll be taking a look at an amazing keyboard with an amazing price tag, AKKO 575B Plus ISO model. Let's start first with the unboxing procedure. Afterwards we will take a look at what comes in the box. By the way, you can use the 20% code to get a discount. Don't miss that out. Our keyboard comes in this condition, nice protective box. For some reason I'm unboxing here upside down. Here we go. First off, we have a manual, our accessories. Let's see what we get. Rubber feet, extra switches, CS winery switches which are pre-lubed, switch puller, keycap puller, and another keycap puller, and USB Type-C cable we have here. Our keyboard has 3 types of connectivity options, which is very nice. Extra PBT keycaps, double shot, very nice finish on them, and nothing left inside the box here. Protective hard nylon, you can use it as a dust cover. I have another AKKO keyboard where I use it as a dust cover as well. PE sheet to cover the keyboard. It's a 75% formed gaming keyboard, comes with an array of keycaps and 5-pin hot swappable switches. Our feet are adjustable. It allows you to change typing angle without jeopardizing your comfort. As I mentioned, 3 connectivity options: wired, Bluetooth 5.0 and wireless 2.4. You have the receiver there as well. This is how our RGB looks. Phenomenal keyboard. So basically this is a keyboard where you can connect to multiple devices as well. Our volume knob has a very nice feel to it. You can adjust the brightness from there as well. For the RGB, backlight, south facing RGB. It's a perfect option if you're upgrading your gaming setup or you're just starting out getting into custom. You don't need to do any mods here whatsoever. Here I'm testing out the different RGB modes. On manual everything is written. Plenty of options here. If I was to show all of them, I would just extend the video, so I'm showing some of them here, as you guys can see. Keyboard can be used with Windows, Android or Mac. This is how our RGB looks in dark. You can see our switches here, which are pre-lubed. Very fast actuation on these switches. I'm used to very fast switches, so no issue for me. Sturdiness test here, it's very sturdy. Gasket mount design they have used here. I will end the video with the type test as well as gaming test. It's a phenomenal keyboard for those who are on budget. I do recommend it. Thank you for watching, like and share. I'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Let's go.